All right, I'm back, y'all. Dyeing my eggs. Got the got the eggs out off the stove. So let's see where we stand so far. Well, I ate some for some reason. I'm always the greedy one. Always the greedy one. Doesn't look dyed right here, but oh well. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. This little baby right here. Oh, uh-oh. Green. All right. Move this out the way. Here's my pink egg right here. Think I'm gonna make the fruit baskets after a while. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. Here we go. Purple. Good. There. Oops to that, you know. All right. All right. Oops to that. Nice and green. Oh, easy does it. Easy does it. There you go. All right, there we go. Have another one in here? No, not another one in here. All right. Sure wish Shamika and the kids could have came over to dye eggs with us. Especially Ryan. Ryan said he had to get his son a haircut. All right, this is YouTube right here, you know. As y'all know, I'm not playing the game, you know. But I do have Mario All Stars, you know. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah, actually, look at this. Well, I had to leave that in there. Okay, let's see. I have another egg in here. No, another egg in here. No. All right. Here we go. All right, and another one. Another one. How many of y'all love Easter? Your boy Dominoes 7 love it. Okay. All right, and another. All right. And another. Okay. Is one in there? No, there's nothing in there. All right. There's one in there. Yeah, that's one in there. There's one in there. Yeah, there's one in there. All right. There we go. All right. All right, so over here dyeing some eggs and stuff like that. About to go step out a bit, make the baskets. So I'll start with Eastland and Brooklyn's basket, you know. All right, so like I said, I don't even think Ryan gonna come today anyway, you know. Okay, well, oh well, tit for tat. So, so anyway, since Nala at work and everything, I'm not gonna put her in the whatchamacallit though. This Facebook Live Easter Saturday this show, but putting it all together and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, put it all together. Okay, all right. So by the way, y'all, I just love doing it, you know. Okay, so I don't know, but I might go to a party tomorrow. You know, I might go to a party because you know Journey's having a party tomorrow. You know, so yeah. So the rest of this I'm gonna do on a recording instead of a Facebook Live. You know, okay. So it's kind of nice out here for Easter. It's kind of cool. You know, and I don't remember it being cool on the Easter Saturday. You know. I really don't remember that, you know. I don't know about y'all folks up north, you know. This is some funny us down south weather, you know. Some funny down south weather. I say funny. That's why I say you know. So so that's all, you know. All right. So just in case of anything, I want to tell y'all what I'm gonna tell y'all. Okay, like Bob Barker say, you know. So I'm gonna do the rest in the recording, okay? But anyway, I ain't gonna end this yet, you know. All right, I'm about to make my first basket while I'm while I'm doing this Facebook Live right now, you know. Okay, let me rinse this out. This what I'm gonna use, y'all. Okay. All right, so I'm about to rinse this out. Okay. All right, y'all watching? Okay. Uh, About to put some Ajax dishwasher liquid in. It looks backwards because of my phone, you know. Okay. So so who will I make this Easter basket for? Should I say any names? I don't know if they try watching this because I sure do want to make a basket for her baby Naomi. Y'all saw Naomi before in her birthday episode and my birthday episode. Okay, so y'all if I think about going to the party tomorrow, y'all might see her too. You know, I think y'all people know who Journey is. You know, hey, you know, she was born before my mama passed away. My mama never had a chance to meet Journey. You know, but at least she met Janai when she was a baby. I don't even think Janai remember my mama. She was a real she was a baby at the time, you know. So some of you know who Janai is. Yeah, Janai hitting my camera. Oh, that stupid show. Okay, y'all remember that? Did y'all watch that? I don't know. So that was with my great auntie's party in 2019. You know, so this gonna be our first birthday without her. You know, I already had my birthday without my auntie. You know, so who's watching? Somebody watching. Oh yeah, this. So it's Herman watching. What's up, Herman? Okay, so this is on Facebook Live, just in case this is uploaded to YouTube. Some of y'all seen Herman before, you know, when I filmed him on a bus and he hit his face, you know. So so that video is untitled. I don't even know if some of you watched that video or not, you know. Let's see. Get some apples and oranges. Okay. All right, I'm about to fix this while I'm on national TV. So I hope nobody don't call my phone while I'm doing it because well, if you call a house phone, then I'll answer it. But if you call my cell phone while on Facebook Live, I'm gonna deny your call. Okay. So here's what I got, y'all: oranges, red apples, green apples. So I don't know who like red apples. I don't know who like green apples. Honestly, you know. So I forgot Nyla's baby's name. I don't. Well, actually, I forgot how to pronounce it. Truthfully, I forgot how to pronounce it. You know. Oh, there. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we go. I don't know how many apples. Maybe I should put this, well, orange, red apple. Okay, so look carefully. This is a basket so far, but the only thing missing is green. I'm gonna say Easter grass. Okay, so I'm about to go get some eggs. So here we. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me bring the basket over here. So should I give this to Eastland or Brooklyn? Well, they're my next door neighbors, so I'm about to put some. All right, look, almost done with the Easter egg. One. I don't know how many eggs to put in there. You know, should I put a white one too? Yeah, I'll do that. Gold. Hot down. Maybe I should put two white ones. Look at that, a nice Easter basket, huh, y'all? Easter fruit basket. But maybe I should put strawberries in there. My greedy behind ate so some of the strawberries. You know. Oh. Uh. Should I? Should I put some strawberries in it? Nah. No strawberries. All right. Well, putting raw eggs in a fruit basket is a is a stupid idea. There we go. I'll put some more eggs in here. You know. All right. All right. Here we go. All right. All right. Here we go. Now it's a nice fruit Easter basket. How y'all love that? Do y'all like it? I wonder if Eastland and Brooklyn will like it. So look carefully at the Easter fruit basket. Okay, with orange apples and eggs. Sorry, no candy, boys and girls. You know, tooth decay. I don't want none of y'all to get tooth decay. So the thing is, I'm only gonna do fruits this year. But I don't know if vegetables is a bad. I bet say a good idea, cause none of y'all not gonna eat spinach. Who gonna eat spinach on 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 Easter? I wonder who would eat spinach on Easter. Would any one of y'all eat spinach? I wonder. None of y'all ain't gonna eat no spinach. The seagulls flying around. Oh, do y'all see that? Never mind that. Never mind that. Okay. So all right. Uh, about to finish this, and that's it. So anyway, like Bob Barker would say, like Bob Barker, you used to remind y'all, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. All right. Good night. Not good night. Happy Easter Saturday. Turn this off.